And they're up. Promise draws for your lead, moving a party outside executive order. In between runners, Black Label, How Did You Know? Comes next, then followed by Wolf Run and Green Lane is in behind them. About to pass the last 900. Promise in command by half length. Running on the outside, Black Label racing in third. How Did You Know? Then followed by Executive Order as they rounded the last 600. Promise, How Did You Know? Is running by the rail. Black Label is running on the outside. Third, Executive Order, Wolf Run as they turn to the last 450. Promise, How Did You Know? By the rail. Then closing once again in third is Black Label as they turn for home. Promise running on the outside. How Did You Know? Is by the rail. Black Label racing in third, and by the rail is Executive Order with 150 to go. This time we have How Did You Know takes up the running over Promise, and finally How Did You Know? Promise. Then comes Black Label, Wolf Run, Executive Order, and Green Lane.
Okay, 354-261 ang ating